Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah, of God, be upon you all. Okay, guys. I'm not making this stuff up. Subhanallah. Please research it. I'll provide the links in the description box. This was posted 21 hours ago. Again, my atmospheric geologists. Friends have been sharing this content, and it's big news. It's breaking news. It's huge. From NASA, Goddard Space Flight Center. Warming. I mean, we're basically, the question now is that how long is it going to be until we continue blaming this on global warming when in fact something else is happening outside our atmosphere? You know, a 60-year pattern in the stratosphere changes up. I mean, a 60-year pattern since they've been documenting it in our stratosphere changes up, and this is like today. Okay, this disruption to the wind pattern, called a quasi-biennial oscillation, did not have any immediate impact on the weather or climate as we experience it on Earth's surface, but it does raise interesting questions for the NASA scientists who observed it. If a pattern holds for 6 decades and then suddenly changes, what caused that to happen? And it's a very serious question. And again, I mean, seriously, how many more things are going to change with our atmosphere? Right? Now you've got the quasi-biennial oscillation that's just stopped out of nowhere. I'll show you a model of exactly what that is and how it looks and how it basically blankets around the Earth's atmosphere. We've got our negative and our positive magnetic poles, which are weakening. Okay, we've got the Van Allen radiation belt, which has weakened. We've got our poles that have shifted by 20 to 25 degrees. We've got the sun, which is setting 20 to 25 degrees to the north. We've got all the climate changes happening. All of this is happening this year, by the way, within the last 6-8 months. Okay, and continues to get extreme. You know, I mean, please, you know, just basically for yourselves, just keep your eyes peeled for the weather changes, the storms, the flash floods, the heat waves, the volcanic eruptions, the landslides, the sinkholes. It continues. You know, all of that this year. You don't have to go anywhere, and all of it on record levels. It suggests something major is happening. There's a very, very major change happening in the world. But not only that, it can't be global climate. Okay, it can't be something related to the atmosphere here. It's something else from out there which is influencing it, because it's not just influencing the atmosphere, it's influencing the Earth to its core. Okay, so carbon dioxide poisoning can't do that. It can't influence the core of the Earth. It has to be something else, and we have an iron core. The hypothesis is it's a magnetic influence. Now I'm going to show you a model of this, right? What is the quasi, and it's recorded from 1980s to I think 2000. I mean, look at that, from 1981. Okay, this blue and the red, right, is exactly what that is. And all of a sudden, it's disappeared. For the first time in history, in 6 decades, this, which they're not quite sure what it does to our atmosphere, but what the relationship is, but it's gone. That much they do know, you know, and it's documented. You know, you can look it up with NASA. You don't have to go far for it. Ulama, honestly, genuinely serious earth changes are happening. Very, very, very radical, and very substantial changes are happening. Honestly, Allah, you know, it's we've. Subhanallah, you know, I don't know what else is going to take for us to take notice, and then maybe, you know, have some contingencies and precautions put in place for the Ummah. All the ahadith of the Prophet ﷺ is coming to fruition. You know, these natural disasters, we're going to witness them very soon, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, but honestly the signs are here. The signs are genuinely here. 1996. Keeps going all the way to year 2000. But this is basically what it is. So I mean, take a look at it. I'll provide links, inshallah ta'ala, in the description box. But this has dropped today, right? Today it's dropped. We don't have it anymore. Okay, quasi-binaural oscillation of the stratosphere has gone today, period. Okay, fact, not fiction. Please take a look at it. It happened today. Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsanul jaza for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.